So the next would be new semantic and structural elements. So new elements for better structure. So article, it defines article, aside defines content aside from the page, command defines a command button that the user can invoke. So details, it defines additional can view or hide. Dialogue, it defines a dialog box or window. So summary, you can define a visible heading for the detail. Figure, it specified self-content content like illustration, diagrams, photos, etc. So fig caption, it defines a caption for a figure element. Footer for a document or a section. Header, it defines a header for a document. H group, group set of H1 to H6 elements. Mark, it defines a mark for highlighted text. So meter, it defines a scalar measurement within the known range. So nav, it defines a navigation links. Progress, so it represents a progress of a task. Ruby, it defines a Ruby annotation. So Ruby, it defines Ruby annotation. RT, it defines the explanation, pronunciation of a characters. So RP, it defines what to show in browsers that do not support. Sections, it defines a section in a document. Time defines date and time. WBR, it defines a possible line break. So next is what are the new media elements in HTML5 is canvas element is used. So below are new added media in HTML5 just like audio, video which we have already discussed. Source just like new thing for media source of media elements it defined inside audio or video. So for embedded content such as plugin track for text tracks used in media players. So we can use the canvas element in HTML5 like canvas. How to add audio and video in HTML5. So already in my previous sessions, I have shown you the example, but even though I have give you the separate example in interview question as well as, so the first thing is for video and second is for audio. So in order you need to use the video tag inside the video element. It's in the source tag. The type you need to mention as video, just like MP4 or OOG. Same as for audio, inside audio element, you need to add source tag, the type audio. So this is how you need to do that. So the next is what purpose does HTML5 serve? So it is proposed next standard for HTML 4.0 DOM level HTML. It aims to reduce the need of base-rich internet application technologies such as Adobe Flash, Microsoft Apache, Sun, and JavaFX. So the next question is what is the difference between HTML5 application cache and browser cache? So this we have already discussed. So next is like what are the new APIs provided by HTML5 standard, and I have given the brief explanation of that. So this canvas consists of drawable region defined in HTML code with height and width attributes. So this JavaScript code may access the area through a full set of drawings similar to a column, 2D, APIs, etc. Some anticipated uses of Canvas includes building graphics, animation, games, image composition. So that are some of the important APIs. Timed media playback is like offline storage database, document editing, drag and drop, cross document messaging, and meme type protocol handler registration. So next is what are the advantages does HTML5 have? Just like cleaner markup and additional semantic new elements like we have header, nav, and time. So third is like new form types and attributes in Opera scripting forms. So next is what does H group tag will do? So it will group the heading elements from H1 to H6 elements. So like this, you can group all the H1 to H6 elements inside the H group tag. So next is what are the new APIs provided by HTML standard. So this also we have discussed, which is like can wash and some of the offline data storage, document editing like that. So